Okay, let's take a look at integers. Integers are positive and negative numbers. Okay, students look at integers sometimes and they're pretty confused by how they work. One way that we can separate these integers to make them easier to work with is we can make a t-chart, where we put our negative numbers here and our positive numbers here. Now I always tell my students to circle their integers, so I've got a positive 3 and a positive 7, and then we have a negative 4 and a negative 12. This will help us sort our integers. So we put our 4 here and our 12 on this side. Now we take our 3 and put it on the positive side and our 7 on the opposite side. Okay, what we do now is we add them up. So I have 4 plus 12, that gives me 16. And I have 3 plus 7, which gives me 10. Okay, now one of the rules for integers is we look at opposite sides of the chart. So I have a negative 16 and I have a positive 10. We're going to take the smaller number from the bigger number, which leaves me with 6 on the negative side of the chart. So our answer for this one is negative 6. This is a quick way to separate integers and to add or subtract them. I hope this helps.